If, like me, you have a block of cheese that is about 7 ounces and you don't know what to do with it, here's 4 things you can do with a 7-ounce cheese. Not me trying to open the cheese and then cutting it with the same scissors. Then find the higher side. There's sometimes a shorter side. So if you do it this way, it'll be shorter. You do it this way. But like my side is going to be like this. You're going to cut it into 4 equal pieces. You cut them, you're going to use each one of these for each recipe. First, we're going to do a cheese sauce. Grab a pan. Now, in a British accent, put some butter in. Turn it to medium heat. Come on. We totally not having to retake that like 30 times because it didn't want to turn on. Then after it starts kind of smoking, put it into low. After most of it becomes our favorite drink, you're going to add a bit of... What was it again? Yeah, a bit of flour. Oh, and by the way, you do this by, like, eye, okay? Doesn't really matter. So, out of that, I turned it off. And I'm just going to mix. Now turn it back to low heat. I added a bit more. I'm going to keep stirring. After it looks something like this, like a paste, you're going to add some milk. Preferably with some heavy cream, but my sister's not letting me touch it because she's making a recipe. So just add a bit of milk in there and whisk. Like the same time you add the milk, which I didn't do because I'm recording. Adjust it to the desired thickness, which in my case is just like a sauce. Now add spices to taste, but I'm just gonna keep it really simple with a bit of salt. After you reached this consistency, and it looks kind of like, gosh, how is this? Lumpy, that's how it's called. Lumpy. Just add the cheese, and just like believe me, if it's lumpy, it's gonna be okay. Okay, I've done this way more times than you're doing if you're watching this video. So you get the quarter of the cheese, and then I'm just gonna cut into small pieces so it's easier to melt. I cubed it, and now I'm gonna add it on low heat. Just add a few cubes at a time. To medium again, you're gonna let it cook until the cheese melts. Please keep an eye on it and make sure that it doesn't burn or starts bubbling up and like completely getting over. And that is not bubbling up, okay? The thing is not bubbling up. That thing is only just a tiny bit of bubbles that are coming, but not through the center and stuff, okay? Put it in a container or a jar, and you're done. See me for part 2. Bye.